the Rearfoot Varus or medial post intrinsic grind. In this video, we will show you how to complete a 6-degree intrinsic Rearfoot Varus grind on a full-length DOLA orthotic. Step 1. Mark the heel bisection line. Step 2. For a Varus or medial Rearfoot post, mark a point or line on the lateral side of the heel cup. Use the mild or moderate clinical markings or use a tractograph to measure and mark your required angle. You now have your angle marked as a guideline for grinding. The aim of grinding is to remove the orthotic shell material from the lateral heel up to your guideline and blend it at a gradual angle to the medial side, leaving the medial border untouched. Holding the medial and lateral sides of the orthotic shell, place the posterior plantar heel surface of the orthotic against the grinder. Hold the orthotic at an angle and remove material up to your lateral guideline. Ensure that this angle keeps the medial side untouched. The medial side will remain thicker than the lateral, creating a varus or medial wedge. Remove small sections of the orthotic at a time until you become comfortable and check your progress against your guideline. The orthotic orientation chosen in this video allows visualization of the guideline. Alternative options include rotating the orthotic, which may also assist in the ergonomics and ease of this modification. Continue to remove material until your grind connects the lateral and medial sides of the Rearfoot post. The DOLA Pro allows practitioners to grind in a Varus Rearfoot post up to 6 degrees without the need to glue on extra EVA reinforcement. Clinical markings including the heel bisection line and the Rearfoot post guidelines aid in symmetrical grinding and accurate prescription. A Rearfoot Varus post is a Rearfoot wedge that is thicker on the medial side. Common grinds include to the Rearfoot post clinical markings or measured to a specified angle using the heel bisection line. A Rearfoot Varus intrinsic grind is used to increase medial orthotic reaction force, apply a supinatory moment, and address tissue stress pathologies related to foot posture and biomechanics. Fit customizations can be performed on the entire DOLA Pro range. If you don't have a grinder, the Pro Fit and Pro Light are popular low-profile options. For the latest open access education and training, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And be sure to download our advanced customization manual at dolaorthotics.com. To access more of our videos, please follow the links, and we look forward to supporting you in your clinical practice.